My dear friends,
Oh, damn.
this is the moment I've been waiting for.
When Rocket unplugs you and starts things up.
Oh, yeah. Woo!
Let's roll.
Oh my God! Already? Oh, there it is. We got it. Oh my God! Oh, it's such a good feeling. Woo-hoo! Oh my God! Where we go? Oh, zero gravity. Oh! Oh! Oh, door didn't open. We're gonna get to see outside. Oh! My plate was flying in the air. What the heck again? Oh! Oh, that's great. The door didn't open. Cool.
Yes, Rocket, you got my work, man. All right, here. Thanks, everybody.
Here we go. Bye. See you later. Oh, up. Going down. Oh, man. Yes. Love this ride. See you later. Lost my voice.